You can update the children of a parent course using the Update Clones modal. Update is located on your dashboard in your course list on the right side under Actions. The following fields are updated based on the selected parameters. In rubrics, this includes grading criterion name, grading criterion allotted points, auto-grade toggle, exclude toggle, and addition or deletion of grading criteria. New assignments are only applicable to clone by reference copies. If a new assignment is added to the parent course, the new assignment will also be added to the clones. However, if a new part is created within a pre-existing assignment of the parent course, a new part is not created or added to the corresponding assignment of the cloned courses. In lab configuration, this includes no work area, lab type terminal version or container/VM image if applicable, lab interface options, Cloud Labs toggle or selection, Spark cluster plus all configurable options under Spark cluster, and all budget and times options.